The Elkhorn River Valley Transmission Project provides approximately 23 miles of new transmission between Nebraska's Washington and Dodge counties and reliably supplies power to the region.
By adding another transmission line like we are between Fremont and Blair, what you're doing is adding like another segment to a spider web, and that just gives you more strength, more flexibility to be able to serve energy in the area.
This project set out to improve reliability, provide new capacity for a growing customer base, enhance economic development opportunities in the area, and diversify Fremont's energy portfolio.
Started with a blank slate. We went to an area and said, we got to get from here to here. Help us, show us, some important areas that we should avoid. Where would you like us to go? What don't you want to see? We did 3 phases or 3 open houses where we sat down with landowners in the area, invited everyone to come in and give input.
Public input was crucial to gathering important information about the study area and to determine the most feasible and appropriate route.
So there's a lot of reasons we want to establish a relationship with the landowner above and beyond just helping us determine a route. It's really about how we can be a good neighbor to these landowners in the future.
Construction of the project took less than a year to complete, and it was energized in spring of 2019. The project was built on schedule, under budget, and with a strong emphasis on safety, community, and environmental impacts.
If you take a look at the route between Blair and Fremont, you've got the river to cross, and so you've got some really sensitive wetland areas.
There's so many things that impact each area differently. There's many criteria, whether you're impacting homes, farmland, commercial settings. Environmental has become a big impact as we route these transmission lines.
I'm most proud of the fact that, Fremont and Omaha, through our power companies, can work together. I think is a great example of 2 power suppliers, and that's what public power is all about in the state of Nebraska, is that, we both serve the public.
One of the things about the project that is very fascinating is there are different interface points that you need to have with the public in multiple ways. It just really shows the importance that we have to have that good customer relationships that we do as utilities, and we really, really enjoy that, and we appreciate our customers.
We're going to be your neighbor for a very long time. OPPD and the Fremont Department of Utilities want to make sure that we're good neighbors. We want to make sure that the benefits of this transmission line, allow the communities to thrive by being able to serve any new customers that might want to come into the region, by having a high reliability system for the customers that we serve, and that the long-term relationships to those most impacted has been minimized as much as possible, and that we will try to continue to be a good neighbor, continue to settle damages, and to be respectful to the properties that we know you hold so dear.